Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be bleaching my hair, and yeah, I haven't really bleached my hair on my own completely before. I usually have help from my mom or someone, but I'm on my own today. I have all the stuff in front of me that I'm going to need. I'm going to show you that in just a second. But right now I'm starting from like a red-brown color, and I'm going to use color remover to remove the color, and then I'm going to go with bleach. And under this is bleached hair. So I just have like one set of color on top of bleached hair, so hopefully the color remover removes it all and leaves me with a good place to start bleaching. But yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Let's get into the video. So this is my table of stuff that I have in front of me. I have 2 packets of a hair mask for after I bleach my hair. I have a hair cap for when I have the bleach on my head. I have 20 and 30 volume developer. The 30 volume is for the bleach and the 20 volume is for the toner. I have coconut oil to put on my hair. I have the bleach right here. I have Wella toner in T18. I have my hair color remover, which is by Ion. I've never used this before, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it works really well. I have no clue. And of course some reusable gloves and my bowl and little comb thing. And then hairbrush and comb as well. And so yeah, that's everything I have to bleach my hair. Okay, so first off, I'm going to start by sectioning my hair into 4 sections. Okay, so now that I have my hair in 4 sections, I'm going to mix up my color remover. Okay, so for my color remover, it says I need 4 ounces, which is 8 tablespoons. So, and I'm doubling it, so I need 16 tablespoons of water. Okay, I have my water in my measuring bowl, and now I'm going to pour my hair color remover into the measuring bowl. And it says you can do this up to 3 times. You can use these packets up to 3 times. Not the same packets, of course, but like you can remove color up to 3 times, but I only got enough to do it for once. So hopefully once is enough. Since I only have 1 layer of color on my hair, I'm hoping that 1 time is enough, but we will see. Okay, I think I have it a gel-like consistency. It's still a little liquidy, but I think this is as good as it's gonna get. So I'm going to just put this on my hair now. I'm gonna put gloves on now because it's burning my hand. The inside of this glove is wet. That's nice. It says to just shampoo it into your hair, so that's what I'm doing. And now I put the cap on and I just wait 45 minutes or till whenever I think it looks good. But it says tops 45 minutes, so probably waiting 45 minutes. So I'll see you back in a little bit. Okay, it's been a little over 45 minutes, so I'm going to take this off and go rinse my hair out, and hopefully some of this color comes out. Okay, so my hair came out to a kind of medium golden brown color, and so it's not as light as I wanted it to be, but we're going to work with it. I'm putting some coconut oil on the ends of my hair right now to try and just protect it from the bleach and, you know, all that good stuff. Okay, so I have my bleach mixed up, which is right here, and I'm just going to start applying it to my sectioned hair. So I'm starting kind of a couple inches away from my root area, because the root develops faster than the rest of the hair because of the heat from your head. So I'm just going to apply it to my hair, and then I'll go back and hit the root before I go on to the next section.